गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। आज हमारे साथ एबीसी एकेडमी की एक बहुत ही ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट हमारे साथ हैं। इन्होंने कुछ चीज़ें बहुत ही मेहनत से तैयार किया है। आइए जानते हैं क्या क्या चीज़ें इन्होंने तैयारी किया हुआ है, कितनी इनकी तैयारी है। तो रेडी है?
Yes, sir.
अपना नाम बताइए।
My name is Ananya Yadav. I study in class 7 today.
वेरी गुड अनन्या। तो शुरू करते हैं अनन्या। पहला क्वेश्चन आपके लिए है, हु फाउंडेड आर्य समाज?
Swami Dayanand founded Arya Samaj.
वेरी गुड, सही आंसर। अगला क्वेश्चन आपके लिए, व्हाट इज द स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ पंजाबी लैंग्वेज?
Gurumukhi is the script of Punjabi language.
Very nice. In which state does the sun rise first?
The sun rises first in Arunachal Pradesh in
Very
India.
good. Correct answer. Which is the southernmost edge of mainland of India?
The southernmost edge of the mainland of India is Kanyakumari.
Very good. Correct answer. Insulin is used in the treatment of which disease?
Insulin is used in the treatment of diabetes.
Correct answer. Bihu is the famous festival of which state?
Bihu is the famous festival of Assam.
Very good. Correct answer. Which vitamin is found in abundance in amla?
Vitamin A is found abundance in amla.
Wrong answer. आंवले में विटामिन ए नहीं, विटामिन सी पाया जाता है। ओके, घबराइए नहीं, जल्दीबाजी नहीं है। हु वॉज द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया?
William Bentinck was the first Governor General of India.
वेरी गुड, करेक्ट आंसर। इन विच कंट्री वॉज पेपर इन्वेंटेड?
Paper was invented in China.
करेक्ट आंसर। व्हाट वॉज द चाइल्डहुड नेम ऑफ गौतम बुद्धा?
Siddharth was the childhood name of Gautam Buddha.
करेक्ट आंसर। हु इज द सुप्रीम कमांडर ऑफ आर्म फोर्सेज इन इंडिया?
President is the Supreme Commander Armed Force in India.
करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपके लिए, पोंगल इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ विच स्टेट?
Pongal is the festival of Tamil Nadu.
करेक्ट आंसर। गिद्दा एंड भांगड़ा आर द फोक डांस ऑफ विच स्टेट?
Gidda and Bhangra are the folk dance of Punjab.
करेक्ट आंसर। हु इन्वेंटेड टेलीविजन?
John Logie Baird invented television.
वेरी नाइस, करेक्ट आंसर। हु वाज द फर्स्ट वुमन रूलर ऑफ इंडिया?
Razia Sultan was the first woman ruler of India.
वेरी गुड, करेक्ट आंसर। विथ हुज हेल्प डू फिश ब्रीथ?
Gills have fish to breathe.
करेक्ट आंसर, सही जवाब। हु गेव स्लोगन इनकलाब जिंदाबाद?
Bhagat Singh gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad.
वेरी गुड, करेक्ट आंसर। व्हेन एंड वेयर डिड द जलियांवाला बाग मैसकर टुक प्लेस?
The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in 99 AD in Amritsar.
करेक्ट आंसर। Which party was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose after leaving the Congress in 1939?
Forward Bloc was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose after leaving in 1939.
करेक्ट आंसर, सही जवाब है। Who is called पंजाब केसरी?
Lala Lajpat Rai is called Punjab Kesari.
करेक्ट। Who killed Sanders?
Bhagat Singh killed Sanders.
करेक्ट आंसर। In the rebellion of 1851 AD, who gave his sacrifice first?
In the rebellion of 1857, Mangal Pandey gave his sacrifice first.
करेक्ट आंसर, सही जवाब। Who was the first woman governor of India?
Woman governor of India.
नहीं मालूम? सरोजनी नायडू।
Sarojini Naidu was the first woman governor of India.
घबराई नहीं। Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice?
Santosh Yadav was the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice.
Correct answer. Next question for you. By whom was the Brahm Samaj founded?
The Brahm Samaj founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
बिल्कुल करेक्ट आंसर। What was the original name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati?
Mool Shankar was the original name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati.
बिल्कुल सही जवाब। Who gave the slogan "Go back to Vedas"?
Dayanand Saraswati gave the slogan "Go back to Vedas."
Correct answer. Who founded Ram Krishna Mission?
Swami Vivekananda founded Ramakrishna Mission.
बिल्कुल सही जवाब। Vasco da Gama was the residence of which country?
Vasco da Gama was a resident of Portugal.
Correct answer. Vasco da Gama came to India when?
Vasco da Gama came to India in 1498.
Correct answer. Where is Hawa Mahal situated?
Hawa Mahal situated in Jaipur.
Correct answer. Which Sikh Guru is considered the founder of Sikhism?
Guru Nanak is considered the founder of Sikhism.
बिल्कुल सही जवाब। Which is the main festival of Sikhs?
Baisakhi is the main festival of Sikhs.
Correct answer. Which great man is called Iron Man?
Sardar Patel is called Iron Man.
Correct answer. ये भी सही जवाब है. Which great man is called नेताजी?
Subhash Chandra Bose is called Netaji.
ये बिल्कुल सही जवाब आपका. What is the name of Lal Bahadur Shastri tomb located in Delhi?
The name of Lal Bahadur Shastri tomb located in Delhi in Vijay Ghat.
Correct answer. Who is the author of Mahabharata?
Mahesh Vedvyas, the author of Mahabharata.
Correct answer. Who wrote the book Arthashastra?
Chanakya Kautilya wrote the book of Arthashastra.
ये भी जवाब सही है आपका. Who gave the slogan जय जवान जय किसान?
Lala Lajpat Rai gave the slogan.
गलत आंसर. लाल बहादुर
Lal
शास्त्री.
Bahadur Shastri gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai.
Who was the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly.
Correct answer. Who was the chairman of drafting committee of Constituent Assembly?
The chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Bhimrao Ambedkar ji. Correct answer. On which date the World Red Cross Day is celebrated?
The World Red Cross Day celebrated on 8 May.
Correct answer. Which country is famous as the country of sunrise?
The country as the Japan as the country of famous as the sunrise.
On which date International Women Day is celebrated?
International Women Day celebrated on 8 March.
8 March. Correct answer. Which is the smallest state in India in term of area?
Goa is the smallest state in terms of area.
Correct answer. Onam is the famous festival of which state?
Onam is the famous festival of Kerala.
Correct answer. When did Delhi become the capital of India?
The Delhi became the capital of India in 1911.
1911. Which is the brightest planet?
Venus is the brightest planet.
Correct answer. Which is the national animal of India?
Tiger is the national animal of India.
Correct answer. Which is the national bird of India?
Peacock is the national bird of India.
Which is the national aquatic animal of India?
Ganga dolphin is the national aquatic of India.
Which is the national fruit of India?
Mango is the national fruit of India.
Which is the national flower of India?
Lotus is the national flower of India.
Which is the national tree of India?
Banyan is the national tree of India.
बिल्कुल सही जवाब आप दे रहे हैं. Which is the national game of India?
Hockey is the national game of India.
What is the ratio between the length and width of national flag?
The ratio of between the length and width of the national flag is 3:2.
Correct answer. Who wrote the national anthem of India?
Rabindranath Tagore wrote the national anthem of India.
What is the national song of India?
Vande Mataram, the national song of India.
Okay, correct answer. Who wrote the national song of India?
Bankim Chand Chatterjee wrote the national song of India.
बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Who first the call Mahatma Gandhi the father of nation?
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose first called the Mahatma Gandhi the father of nation.
Correct answer. सही जवाब. What is our national almanac?
Sakaira, our national almanac.
What is the duration of singing of national anthem?
The duration of singing the national anthem is 52 seconds.
Correct answer. Who discovered radioactivity?
Henry Becquerel discovered radioactivity.
Correct answer. With which part of body is pacemaker related?
Pituitary is the part of our body is called master gland.
Pacemaker. I am talking about pacemaker.
Sorry.
Pacemaker is related.
Pacemaker is the related to the heart.
Heart से related है. Which gland the human body is called master gland?
Pituitary gland, the human gland, is called master gland.
Correct answer. Which is the purest form of carbon?
Diamond is the purest form of
बिल्कुल
diamond.
सही जवाब. Who invented X-ray?
Wright invented X-ray.
Radchand. Correct answer. Which metal was first used by man?
Copper was first used by man.
Very good. How does the outer sky appear to an astronaut?
The outer sky appear black to an astronaut.
Correct answer. Who invented the telescope?
Galileo invented the telescope.
Galileo. Correct answer. What is the name of Museum of Mahatma Gandhi located in Delhi?
The name of Museum Mahatma Gandhi located in Delhi in Rajghat.
Very good, correct answer. From where did first uh, train run in India?
The first train run in India in Bombay, present day Mumbai to Thane.
To Thane. In which city was the metro rail service started for the first time in India?
The metro rail started for the first time in Kolkata in India.
Very good, correct answer. You have answered all the question very beautifully, and I hope for your bright future. Next time we'll meet again with more question and more answer. You will answer very beautifully. Thank you.